Vermont's Division for the Blind. Vermont's specialized vocational rehabilitation agency for people who are blind or visually impaired. Colby is wearing a paramedic's uniform, sitting in front of an ambulance.
My name is Colby Masse. I'm a paramedic with the town of Morristown. DBVI was able to come out and do a job assessment for me, and we were able to identify together things that would help me do my job better.
Colby climbs into the back of the ambulance. There is a blue stretcher in the back,
which is still things I use today, such as my Microsoft Surface, which I use every day when I'm at work for my patient charting and my reports. I was able to adapt with technology, and I worked alongside DBVI to figure out what would work best for me to be the most successful.
Colby wears a vest that reads paramedic. He talked into his walkie-talkie on his shoulder. The ambulance says Morristown EMS.
They're very good at informing people of what their options are and leaving it up to the client to be able to decide what would work best for them. The message that I would say for other people, to not let your visual impairment impact your happiness in the occupation that you decide to pursue.
To reach Vermont's specialized vocational rehabilitation agency for people who are blind or visually impaired, call 1-888-405-5005. Email at ahs.daildbvi.info@vermont.gov or visit dbvi.vermont.gov.